Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. We're going over XRP in this video. But before I get into it, I'm going to say thank you guys so much for 400 subscribers. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And I ideally want to get that by the end of the month. So that's not impossible. But, you know, we got to really try. And I would appreciate it if you guys could help me out. I'm giving away $1,000, or not $1,000. I'm giving away $100 out of 1,000 subscribers. We're going to cover XRP, and this is a very significant level that it's at right now because this is the 50% Fibonacci level from the swing low to the swing high. So that's what we really have to watch out for. But overall, there's multiple things telling us different things. Like this could just be a bear pennant. This could be a double bottom. Boom, boom. We're above this, and we had a nice retracement. If we can close pretty high and get, I would like to form an indecision candle here before we actually have another uptrend, because then this would be considered a 3-bar play, and maybe that's some more. We're gonna hit our head around that 125, 165, and that $2 mark. So we have a lot of resistance our way. I'm gonna go ahead and take some Fibonacci levels from this low, from this to this, and we have to break 122 in order for this to be the short term to be considered in an uptrend. So that's exactly what I'm looking for, around 125, in order for us to, that's what I want to come up to. But again, this is strong. We broke through this, and now we're finding resistance. But we are getting squeezed by the 21 EMA, which could result in a pop up and find support, and that would be our best bet if we want to see XRP continue to push up here. So go ahead and take a peek at a weekly chart. Again, these past 2 weeks, we have 6 days left on this. So this could do anything. This could either come back, have a really long wick, and then pull back. But ideally, we really want it to break that $107, $108 range, just make a new high from the previous candle, and continue to break up. Because this is looking like a bearish pennant. Like, it's either gonna go down or it's gonna go up. So if we go down, again, I'll go ahead and take from the swing high to the swing low. We pulled back to around between the 38.2 and the 23.6 range. So if we use Fibonacci extensions, we can go ahead and my guess it's going to be somewhere in here. So it could very well pull back all the way down to 50 cents, which isn't out of the question, but it would be the last time you're going to be able to get in on XRP at 50 cents. And people are going to come at me in the comments, yo, what the hell is XRP's not going to 50 cents? I'm like, it's a possibility. So even though XRP has amazing fundamentals and it's one of my biggest holdings, or it is my biggest holding, it could come down to 50 cents. It's a possibility. But ideally, we want to break above it. So let's go ahead and take a look at what is happening right on that level. So you broke above it, and now we're kind of building up on that kind of round and off. So ideally, I want to see it just kind of build up here for a little bit more for pop. Let's go and look at the hourly. We can see that we almost have a inverse head and shoulders here. Boom, boom, boom. We go ahead and measure. We'll take that. We'll measure to the neckline. It's not perfect, but it is. It's around 13 cents. So if we measure from there, so if we can break above that and find resistance on that 107, that would be awesome. Because then we could just kind of build up on top of it. So that's what I want us to happen. That's what I want to happen. But again, anything can happen. This is the, what is that? That's 21 EMA. Oh, that's fucked. That's not a week image chart. There it is. So we are chilling above it. I would expect us to consolidate a little bit more in order for us to consider maybe a ABC pattern. So we have the run up, maybe a potential pullback, and then to another run if we can break up. So I'm gonna go and take a peek at some Fibonacci retracements here. Oh, did not mean to do that. I'll take a peek. This. So again, we could pull back all the way down to that $95 range or 95-cent range and still be considered an uptrend. But I do believe we'll pull back actually to 38.2. So this could be considered a nice ABC pattern that also allows a 21 EMA to kind of build up and squeeze it out up and over that 50% Fibonacci level from the long-term Fibonacci level. Then we can continue to, if we use Fibonacci extensions, we can actually find a price target because I do expect it to actually pull back to that 38.2. So around 110, that's what I'm really looking for, or just find on this previous swing high. But that is ideal for XRP. There's so much potential for XRP that it's stupid, and I just loading up. We do have this nice uptrend. So again, I wouldn't be surprised one bit if I actually also popped there, came back down and tested. So I'm going to definitely buy some when it comes back and tests. If it does. This is also an ascending triangle, which is bullish. It's very bullish on the 1 hour chart. It's just going to bounce around and get squeezed up, come back to come there, hopefully then come back down and actually test it. And that will be considered, and then we'll be ready to go parabolic for XRP. So this is forming very, very well. I'm going to go ahead and call that a day for XRP. I mean, we're really figuring it out. I mean, we do have a double. This could be considered a double bottom in order to continue to push up. But again, this could also just be a bear pennant. So could continue to come down. If we go ahead and take a measurement from here to here, if we break down, oh, it's a logarithmic scale. So it's not gonna work like that. Sorry. Let's do auto. So from here to here, I don't think it'll work either. Yeah, it goes in the negative, so that's not going to work. We could potentially find support. We have support at 65, these EMAs and SMAs, and then the bottom at 30 cents. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps out the channel, and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptos. Again, I'm giving away $100 at 1,000 subscribers. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.